Hi, I'm Ralph Fisher, the owner of Tax Credit Solar. And when you buy a solar hot water system from us, you get excellent installation. Here's an example of our work here in Tampa, Florida, the Solahart free heat system, which is the 300 series solar panel from Australia, installed professionally by your friends here at Tax Credit and Tax Cut Solar. So give us a call today. Our website is taxcreditsolar.com. In shorthand, we also have Tax Cut Solar. Go to taxcutsolar.com and learn how you too can have a Solahart free heat hot water system that will save your family up to $100 a month on your hot water bill.